subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Poco has launched the successor of the earlier launched Poco M3 Pro 5G smartphone globally called Poco M4 Pro 5G with a stylish looking design. Talking about the specifications, the Poco M4 Pro 5G features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus dot display with up to 90Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Poco M4 Pro 5G supports a dual camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 190° field of view. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33W Pro fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with MIUI 12.5 Poco skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes dual speakers and X-axis linear motor that gives realistic and distinct feedback to the fingertips. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.56 by 75.78 by 8.75mm and it weighs around 195 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Poco M4 Pro 5G has been priced globally for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at €229, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at €249. And it will be available at a discount of €30 for the limited period of time starting from November 11th in Cool Blue, Poco Yellow and Power Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Poco M4 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.